The Art of Money Getting in Life, 1882, by P. T. Barnum. The Art of Money Getting, written by P. T. Barnum in 1882, is a timeless classic that explores the principles of financial success. Barnum was a successful entrepreneur, showman, and author, and his experiences in business and life inspired him to write this book. The Art of Money Getting provides valuable insights into the mindset, strategies, and habits required to build wealth and achieve financial independence. In this video, we will delve deeper into the book's core themes, highlighting its main lessons, and examining their relevance in today's world. We will explore Barnum's views on the importance of self-discipline, perseverance, and creativity in business, as well as his insights into the art of selling, marketing, and networking. We will also evaluate the book's strengths and weaknesses, and consider its legacy and impact on the field of personal finance. Key themes and lessons: self-discipline and perseverance. One of the central themes of the art of money getting is the importance of self-discipline and perseverance in achieving financial success. Barnum argues that discipline and perseverance are essential qualities for any aspiring entrepreneur or investor. He notes that success in business requires the ability to stay focused, work hard, and persist in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Barnum's own life is a testament to the power of perseverance. He experienced numerous failures and setbacks in his career, including bankruptcy, but he never gave up on his dreams. He continued to work tirelessly, taking calculated risks and learning from his mistakes, until he achieved great success as a showman and entrepreneur. Barnum offers several practical tips for cultivating self-discipline and perseverance. He suggests that individuals should set clear goals, develop a strong work ethic, and maintain a positive attitude. He also emphasizes the importance of staying focused on the task at hand, avoiding distractions, and staying motivated in the face of adversity. Creativity and innovation. Another important theme in the art of money getting is the role of creativity and innovation in business. Barnum argues that successful entrepreneurs must be creative and innovative in their thinking, constantly seeking new ideas and approaches to solve problems and create value. Barnum himself was a master of creativity and innovation, constantly developing new products and concepts to attract audiences and generate revenue. He was one of the first entrepreneurs to use advertising and marketing techniques to promote his shows and products, and he was always experimenting with new ways to capture people's attention and generate interest. Barnum encourages individuals to embrace creativity and innovation in their own lives, suggesting that they should seek out new ideas and approaches, challenge conventional wisdom, and think outside the box. He also notes that individuals should be willing to take risks and try new things, even if they are not sure of the outcome. The art of selling and marketing. A significant portion of the art of money getting is devoted to the art of selling and marketing. Barnum argues that successful entrepreneurs must be skilled in the art of persuasion, using a variety of techniques to convince customers to buy their products or services. Barnum provides numerous insights into the psychology of selling and marketing, highlighting the importance of understanding customers' needs and desires, and tailoring marketing messages accordingly. He also emphasizes the importance of building trust and credibility with customers, using testimonials and other social proof to demonstrate the value of one's products or services. Barnum's insights into selling and marketing are still relevant today, as businesses continue to compete for customers' attention and dollars. His advice to focus on building relationships with customers, and to be authentic and transparent in one's marketing messages, remains as important today as it was in the 19th century. Networking and relationship building. Networking and relationship building are two critical components of personal and professional success. In today's interconnected world, where social media and technology have transformed the way people connect and communicate, building and maintaining strong relationships has become more important than ever. Networking involves meeting and establishing relationships with other professionals and individuals in your industry or field. Relationship building, on the other hand, refers to the process of nurturing and strengthening these connections over time. Both are essential skills for anyone looking to advance their career, build their business, or simply expand their social circle. Why is networking important? Networking is important for several reasons. First, it allows individuals to meet new people and expand their professional and social circles. By attending events, conferences, and other networking opportunities, individuals can connect with others in their field, learn about new trends and developments, and establish valuable connections that can lead to future opportunities. Networking is also crucial for career advancement. Many jobs are filled through personal connections and referrals, so having a strong network of contacts can help individuals learn about job openings and get their foot in the door. Additionally, networking can help individuals gain new clients or customers, which is essential for entrepreneurs and business owners. Networking also provides a range of benefits that extend beyond professional success. Meeting new people and building relationships can be personally enriching and can help individuals develop a broader perspective on their industry or field. Networking can also help individuals develop their communication and interpersonal skills, which are essential for success in any field. Tips for networking. Networking can be intimidating, especially for those who are new to the process. However, with the right mindset and approach, anyone can become an effective networker. Here are some tips for successful networking. Be clear about your goals. Before attending a networking event or reaching out to someone, be clear about what you hope to achieve. Do you want to learn more about a particular industry or company? Are you looking for a job or new clients? Knowing your goals will help you focus your efforts and make the most of your time. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to building strong relationships. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. People are more likely to connect with someone who is genuine and authentic. Listen more than you talk. Effective networking involves more listening than talking. Ask questions, listen to others' perspectives, and show a genuine interest in what others have to say. Follow up. After meeting someone, follow up with a thank you note or email. Keep the conversation going by sharing relevant articles or resources, or by inviting the person to coffee or lunch. Use social media. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook can be powerful tools for networking. Use these platforms to connect with others in your industry, join groups or communities, and share content that demonstrates your expertise. Why is relationship building important? Relationship building is essential for long-term success in any field. Strong relationships can help individuals establish trust, credibility, and a positive reputation. They can also lead to new opportunities, whether it's a new job, a new client, or a new partnership. Relationship building is particularly important in industries that rely heavily on referrals and recommendations. For example, in the legal or financial industries, word of mouth can be a powerful tool for attracting new clients. Similarly, in creative industries like music or film, personal connections and relationships can help individuals get their work noticed and advance their careers. Tips for relationship building. Like networking, relationship building requires a genuine and authentic approach. Here are some tips for building and nurturing strong relationships. Show appreciation. Expressing gratitude and appreciation can go a long way in building strong relationships. Thanking someone for their help or support, acknowledging their contributions, or simply sending a note of thanks can help establish trust and build goodwill. Time management and productivity. A final theme in the art of money getting is the importance of time management and productivity. Barnum argues that successful entrepreneurs must be disciplined with their time, prioritizing the most important tasks and delegating or eliminating less important ones. Barnum provides practical tips for improving productivity, including breaking tasks down into smaller steps, setting deadlines, and avoiding multitasking. He also emphasizes the importance of taking breaks and maintaining a healthy work-life balance, noting that burnout can be a major obstacle to success. Barnum's insights into time management and productivity are particularly relevant in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world. Many people struggle with information overload, constant distractions, and a never-ending to-do list, and Barnum's advice on how to stay focused and prioritize tasks is as valuable today as it was in the 19th century. Strengths and weaknesses. One of the strengths of The Art of Money Getting is its practicality. Barnum provides numerous insights and tips for building wealth and achieving financial success, based on his own experiences as a successful entrepreneur and showman. His advice is straightforward and actionable, and he provides plenty of examples and anecdotes to illustrate his points. Another strength of the book is its emphasis on mindset and habits. Barnum argues that success in business requires not just knowledge and skills, but also the right mindset and habits. He encourages individuals to cultivate discipline, perseverance, creativity, and other qualities that are essential for success in any field. One weakness of the book, however, is its focus on the individual. While Barnum's advice is useful for entrepreneurs and investors, it may not be applicable to everyone. Many people work for others or in industries that do not offer the same opportunities for wealth building as entrepreneurship. Additionally, Barnum's emphasis on individualism may overlook the role of systemic factors, such as economic inequality and discrimination, in shaping people's financial outcomes. Legacy and impact. Despite its limitations, The Art of Money Getting remains a classic in the field of personal finance. Its practical advice, emphasis on mindset and habits, and insights into the art of selling and marketing have inspired generations of entrepreneurs and investors. Moreover, Barnum's legacy extends beyond the book itself. He was a pioneer in the entertainment industry, creating new forms of spectacle and attracting massive crowds to his shows. He also played a role in shaping American culture, introducing new concepts and ideas to a broad audience. While some of his methods and practices may be controversial or problematic by today's standards, his impact on American popular culture and business is undeniable. Conclusion. The Art of Money Getting is a timeless classic that provides valuable insights into the principles of financial success. Barnum's emphasis on mindset, habits, and creativity, as well as his practical advice on selling, marketing, and time management, make this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial independence. While the book has its limitations, and its focus on individualism may not be applicable to everyone, its legacy and impact on the field of personal finance are significant. Barnum's pioneering work in the entertainment industry and his contributions to American culture and business make him a figure of enduring significance, and his insights into the art of money getting continue to inspire and guide generations of entrepreneurs and investors.